What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It uses indentation for block structure and is dynamically typed. What are the key features of Python? Some key features include simplicity, readability, versatility, support for multiple programming paradigms, procedural, object-oriented, functional, extensive standard library, and third-party modules. What are the differences between Python 2 and Python 3? Python 3.x is the current version and has many improvements over Python 2.x, including better Unicode support, syntax enhancements, and changes in standard library modules. Python 2 is no longer supported since 1 January 2020. How is memory managed in Python? Python uses an automatic memory management system known as garbage collection. Objects are allocated on the heap and are deallocated when there are no more references to them. Explain Python's GIL, Global Interpreter Lock. The GIL is a mutex that protects access to Python objects, preventing multiple native threads from executing Python bytecodes simultaneously. This means only one thread can execute Python bytecode at any given time. What are Python decorators? Decorators are a design pattern in Python that allows a user to add new functionality to an existing object without modifying its structure. They are typically used to modify the behavior of functions or methods. What are Python iterators? Iterators are objects that enable a programmer to traverse a container or sequence of data. They implement the iterator protocol, consisting of the __it__ and __next__ methods. What are Python generators? Generators are a special type of iterator that lazily generates values on the fly using the yield keyword. They are memory efficient and allow for iteration over large datasets without loading the entire dataset into memory. What is the difference between list and tuple in Python? Lists are mutable, meaning their elements can be changed after creation. Tuples are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed after creation. Tuples use parentheses, and lists use square brackets. How do you handle exceptions in Python? Exceptions in Python are handled using try-except blocks. Code that may raise an exception is placed inside the try block, and code that handles the exception is placed inside the except block. How do you handle file operations in Python? File operations in Python are handled using the built-in open function, which returns a file object. Basic file operations include reading from, read, read lines, and writing to, write lines, files, as well as closing files, close. Explain the use of __init__ method in Python classes. __init__ is a special method in Python classes, constructor, that is automatically called when a new instance of the class is created. It initializes the object's attributes. It is commonly used to set initial values for instance variables. How do you import modules in Python? Modules in Python are imported using the import statement. You can import an entire module, import module_name, or specific items from a module, from module_name import item_name. Python's standard library and third-party libraries are imported similarly. What are Lambda functions in Python? Lambda functions, also known as anonymous functions, are small functions defined with the lambda keyword. They can have any number of arguments but only one expression. They are syntactically restricted to a single expression.